Finally! Finally, man,
Oh,
finally.
oh my
Hi,
God.
buddy. Thank you so
Listen,
much, man, for having me on this chat. I'm a little challenged as far as Insta goes and Insta chat goes. I am unfortunately not been there many a time, so it takes me some time to get back to how it works.
eh, so in terms of digital connections and connectivity, let me ask you before we begin: Are you on Geo? Are you on the platform Geo?
No, Vodafone.
This is the
And
Hussein.
this is
This
a
is the
place where I
problem.
cannot say much about it.
But we have no connection to Geo. But let me introduce this guy formally. He is quite honestly the reason why I do half of the stupidity that I do. And quite honestly, growing up, I've seen this guy anchor Indian Idol, and obviously I can't sing nor can I anchor. But
No,
whatever.
I can't sing as well. I didn't even know if I could even host. Even when I started off, I thought probably people are, I don't know what they were calling me for. I remember the first time when they called me for Idol, they asked me that. I said, listen, I can't sing. He said, नहीं आपको गाने के लिए थोड़ी बुला रहे. I said, okay, thank God. Then you probably know what you're doing. Yeah, but by the way, I have a connection with Geo. I did the launch of Geo. I did host a show for Geo when they launched.
Mukesh Bhai, if you're listening, and he tunes in every day at 7 p.m. from a pseudonym.
Oh man, I'm going to be live every time with you then at 7 p.m.
I wish that was the case, but ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I really want you to welcome one guy who has inspired, I think, so many hosts across, and this guy has inspired so many actors across. When you put smart and actor together, it's usually an oxymoron. But in this guy's case, I can safely put smart and add the word est before actor. He's the
I hope there are
role
many
model
people who are listening to you right now, man.
he's
I
a
don't
role
hear
model
these
for
compliments often.
he's a role model for young people and quite honestly looks younger than me. So this is the problem. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Kuch To Corona and welcome to our guest, the one and only Hussein Kujeri.
No. I will tell you how at the end of the show how do you do that. That's the problem, and that's a big problem. Let me tell you, because many a times you're trying to get in touch with a certain person, and you want to work with someone, and you tell them that, hey, listen, hi, I'm Hussein, and not everybody knows there can be many Husseins, right? So you only realize that people probably know you by your surname. Yeah, कोई भी हुसैन हो सकता है यार, कोई भी कोई भी. तो अब जैसे मैं सरनेम लेता हूँ ना, तो किसी को पता ही नहीं कि मैं कौन हूँ. तो ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है मेरे साथ यार. I really need to publicize my surname a lot more, and I've realized the importance of it now. I never used to meet anyone saying that, hey, hi, I'm Hussein Kuwajarwala. I was like, why confuse the poor guy, man? Hi, I'm Hussein. It's simple and nice. But I realized the importance today.
Everybody knows Hussein. Don't worry about it. It's just that so it's Kuwajarwala.
Kuwajarwala. Kuwajar is the name of a place. It's in Gujarat, and people who come from that village are called Kuwajarwala. It's like that, right?
See, you're such a unique and beautiful name. It is Hussein and Kuwajarwala. And in my case, I have the most common name and the most common surname. My name is Rishabh and my surname is Shah. So ab bahar chilla lo Rishabh Shah, there will be 100 will come out.
Oh yeah. All of them will tell me, na. मुझे बुलाओ मुझे. मने बुलाओ मने.
Gujarati avdi chhe tane.
Hello, my mother tongue is Gujarati, man. I just don't speak my એટલું સારું ગુજરાતી નથી બોલતો તમારા જેવું. But as I said, my mother Kuwajar is a place which is in Gujarat, and we are Bori, so we speak Gujarati at home. હું મમ્મી સાથે ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરું છું.
Mukesh bhai, તમે આ વાત સાંભળો છો તો please note there are 2 Gujaratis who are looking for sponsors currently. At least I can say safely for myself.
No, join me in.
How are you spending your quarantine?
Well, very much. Maybe yours is a little more interesting because you do a lot more stuff during quarantine as well. But as far as I'm concerned, not much. Well, it's been a very routine life, but can't complain. There is a lot more that's happening outside, so we have nothing to complain. We are in our houses, very much trying to follow the rules and regulations which the government has imposed on all of us, and we are trying to pass the time.
When you said which the government has imposed on all of us, your facial reaction changed for a microsecond. Which the government has imposed on all of us. So I don't like the reaction, but
Okay, maybe I probably didn't put it the right way. I think the least that the government has asked from all of us, actually not even imposed. Sorry for that. I apologize even right away before it goes anywhere else. What I meant by saying was a little request that the government has asked
मैं
people
आपके
like us
जैसा
to
ही
do.
हूँ, मैं आपके जैसा ही हूँ, मैं आम आदमी हूँ. I have no political affiliation whatsoever. But
नहीं यार, उसके बाद भी वो रिक्वेस्ट की है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से तो हमको डंडे मार के ही समझाना पड़ता है. दैट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट.
नहीं, but see, if I say anything, nobody's going to pick it up. You say something, the next day in the paper it will come with both name and surname.
I've been trying my best यार. आज तक कुछ आया ही नहीं है. या तो मैं कुछ बोलता नहीं इसीलिए नहीं आता, या तो जो मैं बोलता हूँ कोई सुनता नहीं.
आपने कभी ये चैनल को कांटेक्ट किया आज तक?
नहीं, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे एक्चुअली कभी या तो मैं डर भी जाता हूँ यार, टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Yeah, I know. I think you're one of the most non-controversial people that I know. You do your...
Never say never, never. You never know, man. It's always around the corner. You just got to... It's like another virus, which is about to attack you any given point of time. You got to save yourself from it and move ahead.
So you're ducking all the uncomfortable questions. You duck really well. But let me ask you this very comfortable question. What is the upside to the pandemic? What is your biggest upside to the pandemic? Yeah.
What is my biggest upside to the pandemic? Well, I hope there will be an upside once the pandemic is over, and I just hope that and there is this big, I mean, it's getting a little serious though, but yeah, you really want to see the change in humankind, and I hope that should be the upside too. But that's, as I said, I really hope, because क्या होता है ना कि लोग जनरली भूल जाते हैं. It's always like this, जब आप बीमार होते हो ना, आपको अगले दिन लगता है यार नहीं यार मैं ये सारी चीजें कभी नहीं करूंगा. This is why I felt sick and things like that. And moment you're all right, you just forget about it. So it's similar right now. People are talking great things. People, you feel that there will be a great change, which I really hope there will be, because we really need to seize that change in humans. And I hope, and that includes me as well. And let me also tell you, I am a part of that as well.
Includes all of us, yeah. But one thing that you should not change is that beard that you have. Yeah, I really like it, yeah.
I was just about to shave today. I said might as well try. It's been almost, I don't know how many years that I've not really gone completely taken off the beard completely. I mean, this is just a stubble layer, so it's almost, but yeah, I will probably do it. कुछ तो करें, कुछ तो करना है.
कुछ तो करो ना. कुछ
तो करना है, कुछ तो करो. Let's promote कुछ तो करो ना, कुछ तो करो ना.
This is the best platform to promote the show. But when you're talking about hope and things like that, I think hope is what unites people across borders. It's what unites people across caste, creed, religion, etc. I was also really hoping that the number of viewers would increase when we would have such a handsome guy. And then now that you've come, automatically from 20 people who are watching me, the number has added. Now we've crossed one more zero and we've crossed the 400 mark. But
good man. I just hope पता चला 20 से कहीं कम ना हो जाए यार. Oh, I would really feel bad.
Baba, I think I saw you at the airport, of course. You didn't see me. I saw you. This happens to me all the time. Okay, so I see the famous person and I say, sir, one second. And they're like, acha, autograph चाहिए इसको, autograph दे दो, निकल जाओ. So I saw you at the airport. Okay, I saw you at the airport at the CST, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Airport.
And it's been a long time now.
You were wearing a cap, okay? You were wearing a cap and like you were walking really fast. Correct, and you were walking really fast, and there was this girl that came up to you and said, Hussain, picture. Now Hussain is thinking, ये तो मतलब हर बार होता है, कौन सी बार देख लिया, मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया. No, but there was a girl who came up to you and who asked you for an autograph, and I was passing by and you said, but why don't you want a picture? And I said, Ariva, yeah, you did. And then when I came back home,
मुझे बुरा लगा हुआ यार, ये तो ऑटोग्राफ में है, अरे ऐसे थोड़ी है. It's always about giving more, right? थोड़ा इतना यहाँ तक आए हो, यहाँ तक अप्रोच किया, सर एक फोटोग्राफ तो लगे आओ. मतलब कोई नहीं पूछता, हम सामने से ही पूछ लेते हैं, आदत सी हो गई अब तो. अगर वो फोटोग्राफ नहीं लेते तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा यार. फोटोग्राफ क्यों नहीं लेना फोटोग्राफ? प्लीज लो फोटोग्राफ.
आप आपके 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 in your case तो at least लोग autograph और photograph पूछते हैं. In my case they say identity proof दिखाओ that you can actually bought this flight. but tell me how the second part of what we do is called Tum Bhi Karo Na, okay Hussain? So see, I don't even feel like calling you sir. You are.
Please don't, man. मेरी उम्र क्यों बढ़ा रहे हो यार?
But the way you look, I actually feel like calling you Hussain only.
Please, I will feel better also. And there are quite a lot of people, man, who are sending hellos, highs, and well, I wish I could have a chat with all of you guys also and reply to all of you. Hey, no, yes, of course, RS is the best. Yeah, man, you're getting a lot of. Ikra is there. Hi, Ikra.
They're saying your smile is very beautiful, Hussain.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I will go and tell my dentist as well also.
Well, okay.
Hey, Karan. I know who's Karan there. Just saw him now.
No, did you find somebody?
Yeah.
Did you find somebody new?
No, new as in I know a few of my friends who are there actually, and some of them I know very well. I was a part of a small world. Karan, was Karan Punjabi with you?
Was Karan Punjabi with me?
Yeah, I am UN. He says I was a part of it, and I know him very well.
Every Punjabi whose name is Karan is always welcome to IIM. So Karan Punjabi, once in IIM and always in IIM.
Also, yeah. Oh, you're a bright guy. Yeah? You're a very, very bright guy.
Really?
Yeah. You'll be proud of what he's doing right now, and you'll probably be proud if you come to know that. Oh, acha, you were a part of us.
No, then he's pakka part of us. If he's doing something nice, he's pakka part of us.
Oh, yes, he is. He's probably still
so what is he doing?
Waiting to explode.
What is Karan doing?
Right now, he's in quarantine. He's spending his quarantine place in Dubai right now. He's studying in France, but probably he'll be able to tell you the best as to what he's doing. Don't hear it from me. I'll probably go haywire.
Okay, talking about the second part, which is what young people should do sitting at home. It's called Tum Bhi Karo Na, Hussain. And in Tum Bhi Karo Na, what do you recommend young people to sit at home and do? अभी quarantine में घर पे बैठ के क्या करें?
Quarantine में घर पे बैठ के क्या करें यार? See, there are, I'm sure now, when the world is right in your hands, right? You can do a lot of stuff. There are a lot of people who are doing a lot of stuff. To ask me what I'm doing, I'm not that very interesting in terms of, because there are limited things that we do in terms of our profession. You might have probably must have heard the same boring things from all the actors that generally do. I'm watching a lot of shows, it's Amazon Prime, all of that. But apart from that, you can also entertain yourself. There are various means of entertaining yourself also and learning at the same time. So you better see to it that you don't complain after this that I don't get time for myself. So you might as well do whatever you can. Apart from all the physical activities that you cannot, which some of them you can do at home. Like, I would recommend all of you guys also sitting at home because that's something I religiously do. And I really feel that gets me into a very, very good mood apart from all the things that are going around in the world. That 1 hour of workout time in the morning, whatever it may be. I don't want to get into how you can do it. There are thousands of ways that you can do it. And you probably know all of them. It's just that you have to have a will to do it. Exactly. I can see. Yeah, not bad at all. But that really gives you in a good mood. At least that starts off my day very well. And then you can probably do whatever you want. So yeah, we've been, as far as entertaining ourselves are concerned, my wife is there around. So a lot of entertainment is there with me. At least two of us are together. At least not completely lonely. That's a good part. Secondly, so yeah, as I said, I have been watching a lot of Netflix and Amazon and Hotstar and all the other possible channels. Wood सारे देख लिए. उसके अलावा you play a lot of सब कुछ देख लिया. मतलब सब कुछ नहीं देखा. अभी possible है. अभी भी पूछते रहते एक दूसरे को यार कुछ अच्छा दिखा है या कुछ अच्छा दिखा है तो बताओ. And yeah, playing a lot of board games. Yeah, you can see a carom is there, right? एकदम प्रोफेशनल वाला जो कैरम इधर ही है रखा हुआ आपके सामने. यहाँ पर इसके साथ बहुत टाइम पास होता है हमारा. हर शाम को दोनों बैठ जाते हैं टक टक करते करते. So that's something good. But as I said, there's one thing that I think the other guys can do is read a lot. Yeah, uh, one place where I majorly lack, and I think it's the best time. पहले ये होता था किताबें लेने के लिए आपको जाना पड़ता, तो किताबें भी आपको फोन पे मिल सकती है बहुत सारी. So yeah, lot of that. Yeah. Then there are so many courses that you can do online. Thinking, yeah, I've been learning baking also, by the way, from my wife, and I can very
You're
proudly
learning
say that
baking.
I can proudly say I can now make a cake. Cake look very good, but I can make a cake. It's just that I cannot make it look good,
Hussein,
but the taste will be good.
if I if I had known that you bake cakes, so we would not do the live at 9 o'clock. We would do the live when you would be in the kitchen at noon or in the evening when you're making food.
यार सीखा भी है यार. वी हैव सम ग्रेट कुक्स आल्सो एट होम, तो उनके साथ भी कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया है. मैंने कभी इतना अकेला रहा नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे पता भी नहीं है कि बहुत सारी चीजें बनती कैसे है. बट आई एम अ फूडी, तो इट्स बेटर टू नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आल्सो नाउ. कभी यू नेवर नो, अभी आजकल कुछ भी हो सकता है, कभी भी हो सकता है, तो बेटर है कि सारी चीजें आप जान लो. तो हाँ, मजा आता है यार. ये सब थोड़ी बहुत चीजें करते रहते हैं अपने आप को एंटरटेन करने के लिए, और उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. And yeah, that's about it.
No, but this is pretty nice. Yeah, you have learned cooking, so your wife must be giving you extra brownie points, घर पे, saying that.
Oh, she's very happy. He's away in the kitchen for some time. Let him go. Let him learn. She's ma, because she feels that all the time that one should be learning and doing different things. और वो हमेशा ही मुझे बोलती रहती थी. तो अच्छा है यार, अभी जब मौका मिला ही है, तो I was the one. She bakes really well. So I told her, why not? Let's go and why don't you teach me how to bake. So that was good. But जब हम दोनों साथ में किचन में थे, उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि मुझे कम रहना चाहिए किचन में जब हम दोनों साथ में होते हैं, वरना मुझे बहुत सुनने मिलता है, क्योंकि मैं बहुत गलतियां करता हूँ.
This is the most dangerous thing, no? If the wife and you are working in the same field, कोई भी फील्ड हो, किचन हो या फिर प्रोफेशन हो, कुछ भी हो, साथ में काम करते हैं तो ताने ज्यादा मिलते.
गलती करोगे तो मिलेगा भी. फिर अभी आपको कई बार लगता है आपकी गलती नहीं है, लेकिन फिर गलती माननी भी पड़ती है, आपकी गलती है, क्या करें. तो अब मैं समझ गया. अब मैं जितना सीख गया, तो मैं उसे कहता हूँ कि नहीं, आप just tell me what has to be done, I will follow it. So my department is separate, her department is separate, so I avoid how much ever is possible.
In the kitchen, I think the department for boys, like for you, and I think especially for me, should be whatever the woman says, you should follow what the woman says. And
I do,
and
of course I do. The cooks are also there, the women. My wife is there, who's baking there with me, and she's teaching me. But she's done a good job, I must say.
But tell me,
she's been patient with me.
She's been patient with you. Listen, now he's getting all the 100 on 100. He's getting the 100 on 100 on every question that we are asking. And if the wife is watching, I think the wife is watching. That is why he's getting 101 on 100. Otherwise, this would have been like. No, but let me ask you, Hussein. There are so many young aspiring hosts, anchors, people who want to emulate you. What you've done in the Kingdom of Dreams, what you've done on Sony, what you've done with Indian Idol, what you've done in all of these shows.
Right.
What would you say to any aspiring anchor? I mean, leave aside me. मुझे देख के तो there is no hope. But मेरे अलावा जो भी aspiring anchor है, उनको आप क्या बोलोगे? What is that one tip that you'd give?
Never say there is no hope. What you just said right now. You never know what comes your way, how it comes your way, when opportunity just knocks your door. I cannot really advise you as much. One is, yes, of course, believe in yourself. बिकॉज जब मैंने शुरू किया था ना, तो मुझे थोड़ी बहुत, मैं ये कहूँगा कि आई हैव बीन लकी ऑल्सो एट मेनी प्लेसेस. there have been good people came around me who probably believed in me more than myself, and the opportunities, and I made the most out of it. I must also, the only credit that I can give myself would be that I really worked hard on whatever that was given to me. As far as all the aspiring hosts are concerned, I think there is something in them wherein you believe, जहाँ आपको लगता है कि नहीं, मुझ में वो सारी चीजें हैं, मुझे वो बातें हैं, you enjoy doing that part as well. So you have to approach all the possible people. Now the world is different now what it was 10, 15, 20 years back probably. Just go approach yourself. There are various ways to put your talent across to people, and you never know, you might just be picked up by one of those key people, one of those people who came into my life and probably gave me that opportunity to come your way. but never say there is no hope. There is always some hope.
There is always hope. देखिए, if Hussain has said that there is hope for me, there is always hope for anyone. That no? He said something in his 2008 campaign speeches. There is some hope. There will be hope. कुछ ऐसा कुछ बोला था.
बहुत लोगों ने बोला यार, होप पे तो बहुत लोग जिंदा रहते हैं. हम भी होप पे जिंदा रहते हैं.
But like you said, that
there is always, yes, of course there is always hope. Sorry.
But you said there are multiple ways of putting your talent out. So I also utilize one of the ways of putting my talent out. हर रोज 7 बजे और 9 बजे मैं लोगों को फोर्स करता हूँ, कंपेल करता हूँ कि आप आइए शो पे आइए 7 बजे और 9 बजे, and we'll record this show and then we send it to everyone. Mukesh bhai is listening. We send it to everyone and then we tell them saying, कुछ तो करो ना, प्लीज कुछ तो करो ना.
मेरे ख्याल से as we said, डिजिटल, मैं इतना डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म मैं खुद नहीं हूँ, और मैं ये अपनी एक कमी मानता हूँ कि होना चाहिए. बट बहुत सारे लोगों को हम देखते हैं जो वीडियोस बनाते हैं या जो अपना टैलेंट दिखाते हैं, बीट, and you really see, when you see all these videos, you feel like, man, there's so much of talent outside. There's immense amount of talent outside. They come up with, and now entertainment is, they're limiting it to like a minute, probably minute and a half, at times 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds also. So you just come up with an idea and people start like, how are you doing this? I mean, this is a damn thing. कुछ तो करो ना, जो आपने digital show एक चालू किया, where you're quarantine के time you're trying to approach people, having live sessions, which is good, and people are also being entertained at the same time. किसी ना किसी का टाइम पास हो ही रहा है, और अच्छा ही टाइम हो रहा है. शायद कुछ अच्छी बातें भी निकल के आ रही है.
प्रोडक्टिव टाइम पास हो रहा है यार, प्रोडक्टिव टाइम पास
हो रहा है, और शायद कुछ लोगों को इसमें से कुछ अच्छा भी मिले. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि कुछ अच्छा मिले और कुछ सीखने मिले, कुछ चीजें जानने मिले. Because it's always good to listen to such conversations at times. It's entertaining, और हम भी सुनते थे यार एक टाइम पे तो, और कुछ ना कुछ उसमें से निकालते थे, उसमें से होप लेते थे. बिकॉज जो बड़े कलाकार होते हैं, आप उनको भी सुनते हो और उनकी भी कहानियां सुनते हो, और उन्हें लगता है कि हाँ नहीं यार, they all have been through the same phase. Everybody goes through the same phase, my friends. So yeah, you are starting off right now. You find it very, very difficult. So that phase will be there with you throughout. और उसका कोई एंटीडोट नहीं निकलने वाला.
Asha, but here we have Nakul Mehta here. Everybody knows Hussain is. He's just written saying, Hussain. Everybody knows how amazing Hussain is on screen. My favorite on TV when I was starting out. But what the world needs to know is he is an exceptional baker. हम आपके फैन थे और हम आपके फैन रहेंगे.
मैं भी उसका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ और हमेशा ही रहूंगा. और उसने एक केक खा लिया था, उसने शायद थोड़ा बहुत केक खाया होगा जो हम लोगों ने बनाया था. एक्चुअली मैंने भी नहीं, मेरी वाइफ ने बनाया था, मैंने बस थोड़ा बहुत. तो आई हैव बीन लाइक डूइंग दिस थिंग यार, कि जिसके हाथ में भी केक चले जाता है ना, जो आजकल हम लोग बनाते हैं कई बार दोस्तों में, कि यार कैसे पहुंचता है मत पूछो, पहुंच जाता है. और हम कुछ ऐसा काम नहीं करते, बस पहुंच जाता है. तो ये बोलने के बाद, एंड लकीली केक कुछ अच्छा भी निकल के आता है, तो तारीफ सुनने मिलती है. तो ऐसे टाइम में बोलता है इसमें मेरा भी हाथ था.
आपका भी हाथ था इन द केक. यू आर सेइंग आपका भी हाथ था इन द केक. But this Nakul, but if Nakul is yet here, Nakul, I'm very upset with you. Nakul is a good friend also, Hussain, I must tell you.
You get him on the show, or have you already got him on the show?
No. This is the complaint that I have. Every time when I tell him saying come on the show, he says live नहीं करना है, मुझे live नहीं करना है. And actually we live नहीं कर रहे हैं. He's not doing lives. But today I saw his Instagram story, and I picked up the phone and I messaged him saying our friendship is over. Because guess what? After calling me his friend, his younger brother, this guy, your friend, accepted
the guy who liked my cake.
The guy who liked your cake. He accepted a life from somebody else and not us first.
Yeah.
Because this is why Nakul Mehta, please delete this Nakul Mehta from this life. इसको delete करो.
नहीं यार, वो आदमी बहुत अच्छा है. वो ऐसा तुम्हारे साथ कर नहीं सकता यार. तुम कभी नहीं करेगा. You asked him once, and there is no way that he is not there on the show. For all you know, I might have missed him on the show. I'm sure for all you know, he was there on the show for sure. And if he is not, man, you're missing out something. You wanted the number to go high. You wanted Mr. the Mr. Geo to see you. Get that guy on the show.
I don't. You know, he's
fan
saying
following
I'm
us, man.
no,
Son, are you
he's an
reading
absolute
this?
sweetheart.
Yes,
I think
Ashi, I am.
he's an absolute sweetheart, and I think, like you rightly said, any one thing that you ask him, he goes ahead and does 100. He's people like him and you are rare. I'm being very honest. People like him and you in a space which is so glamorous
Thanks,
and
man.
filled with glitz. Human beings such as you are rare to find. But let me take you to the last part of what we do. It's called a quick rapid fire. Hussain.
No, very bad at
You have
this,
to
my
answer
friend. But I
questions.
shall try my best. I will try my best, to be honest.
Okay.
I'm not
Question
known
one.
for it.
but
You know the
you're
easiest way to
watching-
get out of it? Hey, I'm losing connection. I'm
Huh.
losing connection. I'm losing connection.
But here nobody is watching. Only Bombay Times, Tele Chakkar, and all these television.
Ah.
The television. Yeah, but that's it. There's nobody else.
Oh,
So you can say
इतने
same
छोटे मोटे
thing.
लोग ही देख रहे हैं बस.
घर में किसकी ज्यादा चलती है, आपकी या योर वाइफ?
मेरी शक्ल से दिखता है, सवाल ही नहीं. वैसे मेरी वाइफ भी इतना नहीं, लेकिन हाँ मैं मान लेता हूँ उसकी बात, क्योंकि कई बार यार उसकी बात सही भी होती है. मतलब when I give it a second thought, I feel that she's right.
Be careful about what you say. Huh? This is the only controversial statement that you can make. Every other statement you will get away from. But this answer, if you give wrongly, there'll be a big problem. But let me ask you the second question that I want to. And which, according to you, just one thing that is the biggest upside of the pandemic. One thing which is the biggest upside of this pandemic.
Biggest upside of the pandemic. As I said earlier also, I would wait for that upside to happen. As I said, I mean, there is a list of things that people are thinking about it, you know, as far as respect goes, as far as humanity goes, as far as many small things goes, you know, just go down and you see that change in yourself. I just hope the change remains forever. And
Great.
inequality that you see every day, I just hope that also, I know it will never ever vanish out, because there are many issues, there are thousands of them. But as far as at least there is a start, there will be hope.
There will always be hope. And the second last question I want to ask you is this: if you have to recommend one book for young people to read, who are between the age bracket of 14 to 24, which would that book be? बोलो अभी.
भाई मैंने सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, मैंने कॉमिक के अलावा कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है. And that would make me sound so stupid out here, but मैंने एक ही बुक पढ़ी थी, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, बस.
No, so which is your favorite platform? To address young people? I recommend that you look top right on your screen, and you feel free to. No, it's IIMUN.
Yeah, of course. Okay, but you see, I said, as I'm that bad that I don't even have a Facebook account. Okay, so I'm really bad on this, and I do not take any pride in that. But it's just that I try and improve myself, but unfortunately, I don't know, somehow वो होता नहीं है. But as I said, for young people, there are many. Actually, for the youth, na, you don't need to. You know, when somebody actually asks me, यार कि इनको advice करो, इनको क्या advice करेंगे? इनको advice नहीं कर सकते, ये हमें advice कर सकते हैं. You know, when we are starting off, because they know almost. The brother, he tells me that his sons, I mean both of them, बोलते मैं उनका father मैं नहीं हूँ. You know, वो Google है. मतलब मेरे से ज्यादा वो उनकी बात मानेंगे. So it's the same with youth also. They just know how to go about and achieve their dreams. And I see that the fire is there in them. And there's one experience or whatever work that I've done. There's one thing that always will keep you going is hunger. Is the hunger for work. And that should never die. That is what I have learned from my seniors as well, who I have seen. And when I see them doing some amazing amount of work over a period of years, and you know, they just go on. I mean, feel के आपको लगता है इनके पास सब कुछ है, फिर भी इन्हें करने की क्या जरूरत है? इनके पास कुछ होने के बाद वो हमें हमेशा हंगर जो है ना वो रहता है, एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू कीप इट अलाइव इन मी आल्सो, बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट विल कीप यू गोइंग. You are maybe at one point of time, there will be a time, it might be that you might be able to fulfill all that you have dreamt of, but hunger is the only thing that will keep you going. One good advice.
No, I'm always, that is a brilliant piece of advice, and I am always hungry. I don't look as if I eat too much, but I'm always perpetually
Yes,
hungry.
but please do not take me wrong. When I say hungry, is not only for food. Hungry for your passion, hungry for your dreams.
No, I know, and like you rightly said, that always remain passionate, always remain hungry, chase your dream, and there is always hope. It is a pleasure, it's been a privilege, and it's been an honor to be able to host this wonderful, good-looking, smart actor called Hussain.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. I would really look forward to coming up and hearing some good things about me.
These 500, 600 people don't want you to go any which way, but the only thing is, because you said hungry, now I'm getting hungry. So that is why I'm going to go to the kitchen and get whatever is left behind. But honestly, Hussain, you've been an absolute sweetheart. Thank you very much for doing what you're doing. Keep inspiring
Thanks,
young
man.
people.
Thank you, Rishabh.
And
Thanks,
honestly,
I hope so.
thank you very much, Hussain. Kujeri wala.
Oh, man. I thought there was hope here too.
I'm joking. I'm joking. Bye. Take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Satan. Thank you, man. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you. And bye to all you lovely people out there who have come up on the show, sent a lot of lovely messages for the both of us. And hope all of you guys are doing well and staying safe, staying at home, and passing your time in the best possible manner. Make the most out of it, and hopefully this time will never come again in our lifetime, at least.
And keep watching the show. Keep watching the show.
And keep watching the show. Keep tuning in at 7 p.m., 9 p.m. You know that I am free.
Yay!
7, 9, 5, 3, 2, 1. Whenever you think.
मैं कॉल कर रहा हूँ. Hello, please block Hussain's date for the next 1 month, please. Just make sure that he's not going anywhere else, please. Next 1 month.
He's not going anywhere, bro.
They're asking for $10 million yeah, for blocking your date.
Going free, bro, free. It's for free.
अरे yes, ये इंसान ने बोल दिया. Done. कल से, tomorrow से. Your new host is going to.
मैं तुम्हें पैसे दूंगा. मैं स्पॉन्सरशिप लाके दूंगा तुम्हें.
You are an absolute sweetheart, and thank you so much, Hussain. Honestly, there are good actors, but it's important to be a great human being. Thank you for being that great human being.
Thank you, brother.
And
Thank you, man.
the
Thank you so
wonderful
much.
actor that you are.
Okay. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Nakul, if you're still there. But I'm gonna call him in any which case. Thank you, all you people, lovely people out there. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Thank you, man. Thank you, Rishabh, once again, and thank you to the entire team of yours also. Thank you, buddy.